Hello, how are you? This is Coach Lopez with FC Prime. This tutorial purpose is to guide you a little bit about the registration process, okay? So right here on the screen you will have a little link that will send to you, that will send you to the Competitive Soccer Tryout Registration 2020. So this is, if you already registered for tryouts, you don't have to do this. What you need to do is you go to the login to family account. Obviously, if you already have a family account. But if you don't, what you want to do is you want to create a new account. Create a family account right here, okay? That will ask you for all the information to sign up your player. Now, I already have a family account, so I'm going to click on that, and it will take me to this screen right here. So what do you see? Families. Enter your family account number right here. Mine's already in memory, so you just put one there. Obviously, you have to remember. If you don't remember, you can always click here to, if you forgot your password, okay? It will be sent to your email that you provided in the original registration. So then you click here and it will take you to the competitive soccer tryouts form, and you will have all your family members, all the players, okay? In this case, I am going to sign up my son, okay? That will go here. So right in this one, he will show what programs is he available to sign up, okay? So I'm going to sign up for Competitive Soccer 2020-21. Okay, you click on this, and you will have all these different things. Okay, then from here you just follow. You follow the prompt that they will give you. Okay, here I selected a payment plan of installments. And that will be, the first installment will be $150, and then from then on you can set it up for the amount that that is stated already, which is $167. Okay, so that is pretty much it. There are other things that you have to do in the meantime, but this is how you actually access your account and how you register your child. All right, I hope this tutorial helped you a little bit in your registration. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. We're here to help. Let's go Prime.